Happy birthday, boss. Wish you good health and more projects to come.
Happy birthday, Boss Dong, and I wish you all the best in life. More birthdays to come, and more projects, and a healthy, long life ahead, boss. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for the guidance and for your mentorship.
Happy birthday, Sir Dong. More projects and more blessings to come po para sa company. San Juan, Batangas naman po. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hi sir, happy birthday. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday po, boss. Sana magustuhan mo yung luto ko. At may pasalubong ako dyan. Punta ka na dito, boss. And more birthdays to come po. And more projects to come dito. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po, boss. I wish you good health and good fortune. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity to learn and grow in our respective field. God bless po and happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Boss Dong!
More projects to come po and ingat po kayo palagi. More birthdays to come po.
Thank you sir sa pag-guide sa amin at pagtuturo ng mga kaalaman mo, pag-sharing sa amin, sa lahat ng blessings, tapos mag-ingat ka palagi sa ano mo. Tapos more blessings to come and more projects na pagsasamahan natin at hindi ka na po namin iiwanan. Happy birthday po ulit!
Good morning, boss. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Sana mas marami pa tayong project. Boss, sana muna magpadala sa Boracay.
Boss, happy birthday! More blessings to come and project. God bless you. God health and God bless you.
Happy birthday, boss. Happy birthday. Salamat po sa blessing na binigay mo sa amin ngayon.
Sana po marami pang birthday na darating sa inyo. At bigyan ka sa lumabang buhay. Salamat.
Happy birthday, sir! Sana, sir, marami pa tayong pagsasama na project, sir. Happy birthday, sir!
Good morning, boss. Happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday darating sa iyo at mga project. God bless you.
Happy birthday, boss. More birthday to come. And thank you sa foods.
Good morning, happy birthday and more projects to come.
Happy birthday, boss. Thank you sa blessing na to.
Happy birthday, boss. More birthdays to come, more blessings.
Happy birthday, boss. Good health and more project to come.
Sino?
Happy birthday, boss. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo sa gabay ng mga pangyarihan ng Diyos. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, boss. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, bossing! Yun lang.
Okay na? Boss, happy birthday. Sana magkaroon tayo ng maraming project. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Sir Dong. Sana marami pa tayong project na darating at pagsasamahan pa natin ng matagal. Yun lang. Salamat.
Happy birthday, boss. Sana dumami pa project natin. God bless.
Good morning, boss. Good morning. Happy birthday. Wish ko po na bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoon, malakas na pangangatawan, at bigyan tayo ng marami pang project dahil maraming umaasang pamilya dito sa ating kumpanya, ang AT Baraneda Construction. Maraming salamat din, boss, sa pa-birthday nyo sa amin, sa pagkain at sa ayuda. Nawa po ay pagpalain tayo lahat ng Panginoon at iwas sa lahat ng karamdaman. Muli, boss, happy birthday, at ang buong staff po ay 100% na laging nakasuporta sa inyo. Maraming salamat, boss, sa lahat. Happy birthday to you.
Sir, happy birthday sa iyong karawan ngayon. Sana masaya ka. At maraming salamat sa binigay mo sa akin na mangkinasal. Uulitin ko sa sir, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Boss Dong. More birthdays to come. God bless you. We go!
Happy birthday, boss! Happy birthday, boss!
1, 2, 3, go! Okay, sige!
Happy birthday, boss! More birthdays to come! We wish you good health! Good plans! More projects to come!
DJ Paul Bigata, Ribbons.
Boss, happy birthday. Salamat sa ayuda. Bigas at saka inasal. Salamat po. Happy birthday.